Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole with Nicole Ballas Creative Living. If this is your first time here, please be sure to like and subscribe. And while you're at it, please hit the notification bell on the right hand side so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. In today's video, we will be doing a plan ahead with me in my Erin Condren life planner. I cannot contain myself any longer and I really want to move into this baby. Please let me know down in the comment section if you also are super excited about moving into your new Erin Condren life planner. Okay, so we get to our first page, and here I just used the Erin Condren dots and marked out the special days that I know I have coming up this year. Birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, anything that I know that's coming up in the foreseeable future. Next, we come to the page with these boxes, and I'm doing something a little bit different. I seen this from another YouTuber, and every Monday I am marking down what sticker pack I am going to be using for that week, from an Etsy shop, or it's the stickers that I've made. I just want to keep track of the shops that I'm using so I can keep track of my favorites. And what I have marked down so far and what I'm going to be showing you, I will link in the description below. Which then brings us to July. This sticker pack I had purchased on Etsy from Bling Ding Planner, which I will also link down in the description. I also went on the Erin Condren website and I uploaded a bunch of photos. And here my sister and my brother-in-law are celebrating their anniversary on the 14th. My other brother-in-law is having a birthday on the 21st, I'm sorry. And this way it helps remind me as well. I'm going to use these stickers throughout my entire year in my monthly spreads to help keep track of birthdays and anniversaries. Yeah. Now it brings us to our dashboards. This time I'm going to try something a little bit new. Usually do a lot of memory keeping on these two pages, but this time I had found these dashboard layouts. And they are from the Duplicate Designs, or you can find these stickers on beingbethanyrose.com. I had gotten this July, the August watercolor animals, and I also purchased the September Cupid because that's my anniversary month. And what says love more than two, a Cupid with some arrows. This brings us to the first week of July, and here's just an extension from my July monthly kit. And then onto the right hand side, this is Freedom Rings by another Etsy shop that I had just bought in from. I am so excited to get into this book. I've been waiting for like 2 months now to start doing this planning in this book, and I'm just so excited. This brings us to the second week of July, which is This Is Me Time by Days Untangled. This is absolutely one of my absolutely favorite shops on Etsy. I just can't help myself. I have purchased so many stickers from this shop, and I just can't say enough about her. These are some of the ones I've gotten. This is the astrology one. The colors are so vivid, so gorgeous, beautiful. I just can't get over some of these stickers that she has on her shop. Here's some other ones that I got. This is the Woodland Owl for fall. I fell in love with it. This is the Red Lip Kit. Again, I couldn't help myself. This is the Touchdown Kit. I love this one. We're in love with football, so I had to buy this one. And this is the Beach Days. This is actually the kit that I am going to be doing the Plan With Me video with today. I also want to remind you ladies that I am doing a giveaway on my page for the Kiara Sky Jelly Tips. just head on over. All you have to do is like and subscribe. Leave a comment below letting me know that you had done that and be entered in for the prize. Good luck, ladies.